So welcome student friends to this lecture of digital electronics. In the last lecture we had discussed about NAND gate as a universal gate, right? NAND gate as universal gate. Now in this lecture let us see our discussion on this NOR gate as a universal gate. Okay, in the classification we have seen that this NAND and NOR gate are called as universal gates. Okay, now why they are called as universal gate? We have seen for the NAND gate. Every other gates can be implemented using the NAND gate, right? So same is the case for a NOR gate. तो NOR गेट यूज़ करके भी हम अदर्स जो गेट है वो डिज़ाइन कर सकते हैं. जैसे NOR यूज़ करके NOT गेट, AND गेट, OR गेट, NAND गेट, XOR, XNOR, राइट. ओके, सो इसके लिए भी हमें पहले NOR इक्वेशन देखना पड़ेगा. सो लेट्स फर्स्ट सी दिस NOR एक्सप्रेशन. So the equation, logical expression or Boolean expression of NOR gate is given as y is equal to a plus b whole bar, right? So let's consider this as equation 1. Okay, now we have seen for NAND gate. In the NAND gate as a universal gate, we converted all the equations. So NAND gate, we converted all the equations of other gates into this form, a b whole bar, this form, right? May it be NOT gate, AND gate, OR gate, NOR gate, XOR, XNOR. So all their equations were converted to this form. Now we are supposed to convert all the equations in this form. Then only the said gate will work as NOR gate. Okay, so let us see these gates one by one. So very first we can say NOT gate using NOR gate, right? So NOR gate का इक्वेशन हमने यहाँ पे लिखा है. We'll consider that as equation 1. Now what is the equation for NOT gate? NOT gate y equal to a bar. So if y input is a, then output y is equal to a bar, right? Now considering equation 1, which is a plus b whole bar. Now you see, for this NOR gate we have two inputs. For NOT gate we have only one input, right? So how we are supposed to convert these two inputs? We have seen this in the NAND gate using NOT gate using NAND gate, right? So considering equation 1, for two inputs, we consider let b equal to a, right, and shorting the terminals to get one terminal. Okay, so what is equation 1? Y equal to a plus b. Now b we have taken here as a, so it becomes a plus a. Okay, now according to ORing laws, a plus a equal to a. This we have seen in the ORing laws of Boolean laws, right? So this equation then becomes y equal to a bar. Okay, so you can see here we have converted this NOT gate using NOR gate, and we have taken in the same equation, right? So how can we implement this? Now this is NOR gate, right? So if you remember, the symbol of NOR gate is something like this, a bubble here, and these two inputs now we have shorted. Okay, so this is A and this is Y, right? So this is also A. Now this was B and we had considered B is equal to A, so it becomes simply a single terminal here, and then Y is equal to A bar. So this is how this is equivalent to a NOT gate. So we have A here and output is A bar, which is also equal to a NAND gate. This NAND gate, this is A. So if this is A, this is A bar. So you can use NAND gate to implement NOT gate, or a NOR gate to implement NOT gate. Okay. Now second, we'll see AND gate using NOR gate. Okay, so again we have seen the equation for NOR gate is in equation 1, right? And what is the equation for AND gate is Y equal to AB. So here we have this dot and here we have this plus. Now we are supposed to convert this equation in this form, in the NOR form. Okay, just looking at this equation, what can be done here? Now we have to make changes in such a way that its meaning will not change. Okay, so I'll say taking double inversion. So we'll consider this as equation, let's say 3. Taking double inversion of equation 3. Okay, problem here. We have Y equal to A B double bar, which is quite equal to A dot B AND gate. Now according to De Morgan's theorem, okay, so can I say Y equal to A bar? Now here we have this A B bar and the whole bar. So we are talking about this term. So this A bar plus B bar whole bar, right? So see, this for NOR gate we have A as one variable V1 and B as another variable V2. So that is what we have converted. A bar here is variable 1 and B bar here is variable 2. So we can say V1 plus V2 whole bar, right? So that is what we can represent this NOR gate as Y equal to variable 1 plus variable 2 whole bar, just for understanding purpose. We can say that, right? So now we have converted this AND gate equation into this NOR gate form. Okay, so here this bar indicates one NOT gate, just now we have seen, and this B bar again indicates one NOT gate in the form of NOR. Okay, so how can I implement this equation? I have, now here in this equation I am supposed to use only NOR gate, no other gates. Okay, so let's see implementation. So this is A, this is B, and both are again this NOR, right? So I can say this is A, this is B, so here it is A bar, here it is B bar, and here it is A bar plus B bar, plus because this is OR, and whole bar because this is NOR, right, which is equal to AB. So again, for this equation, if you take De Morgan's theorem, then this becomes A double bar dot B double bar, which is equal to AB, right? So this gate 1 2 3 NOR gate in this format is as good as one AND gate. This A B and this is AB. Okay, so this is for AND gate. Now we can see for third type is OR gate using NOR gate. Okay, so in the equation 1 we have seen for OR gate it is y equal to variable 1 plus variable 2 whole bar, right? What is the equation for OR gate? OR gate y equal to A plus B, which is in the form of variable 1 plus variable 2, right? So half part is here already done, variable 1 plus variable 2. Now we need to just add this bar without changing the meaning of this. So what can I do here is taking, let's consider this as equation 4, taking double inversion or equation 4. So y equal to A plus B double bar, right, which is simply equal to A plus B. Okay, now we have got this in the form of variable 1 plus variable 2 whole bar with one more bar added here. We are looking for this form, right? Now how can we implement this? Simply we have to take two NOR gates here. So I have this is A, this is B, and this need to be shorted. Okay, so here the output is A plus B whole bar, right? So this input, consider this as X. Now here input is X and output is X bar. So what is the equation of X? X is A plus B whole bar, the value of X itself, and we have this bar here, right? So A plus B double bar, which is equal to A plus B, which is nothing but our OR gate, but we have implemented using NOR gate. NOR gate. Okay, so this is how this all other gates can be implemented, or basic gates can be implemented using NOR gate. So one very important point here is just you need to convert the any given equation in this format if it is asked to implement the given equation in the NOR format, right? So in the same way we can try for NAND gate. NAND gate using NOR. NAND gate using NOR gate. Okay, Now the NOR gate we know y equal to, so you can say v1 plus v2, variable 1 plus variable 2 whole bar. What is the equation for NAND? Y equal to a b whole bar, right? So this is v1 dot v2 whole bar. If we see this format, we just need to convert these into this format, right? Now looking at the equation, so let's consider this as equation 5. Looking at the equation 5, what can be done here is taking De Morgan's theorem of equation 5. So this is y equal to a bar plus b bar. Okay. Now if you compare this with this equation with equation 1, then we have v1 plus v2. Half part we have came here. Now the question is about this bar. Now taking double inversion of this equation, we have y equal to a bar plus b bar double bar. Okay, so this is how the equation of NAND using NOR. So this equation of NAND using NOR gate. Now how can we implement this? So it's quite easy. So I have this a bar, then I have this b bar, both are NOR. Okay, so this bar means this gate number 1, this b bar means this gate number 2, this bar, the first bar, means gate number 3, right? And this upper bar means we need to have one more NOR gate. So this upper bar means gate number 4, right? So this is a, this is b, and this is y. So let's see. So here the output is a bar, here output is b bar. Here we get a bar plus b bar whole bar, since this is a NOR gate, right? And then here the output of gate number 3 is given to gate number 4 as an input, and then we should get a bar plus b bar whole bar. Since this is NOR gate, it's whole bar. Okay, which is equal to a b whole bar, right? Which is equal to NAND. So this complete circuit we can say is equivalent to a NAND gate. A b 1. Okay, so this is how you can implement this other gates using NOR gate. Okay, so now your homework is you can try for XOR gate and XNOR gate. Okay, so in the last lecture I said that to implement XNOR gate using NAND gate, minimum 5 these NAND gates are required. 5 NAND gates are required. Okay, but actually it's not 5, it's minimum 4 NAND gates are required. Minimum 4 NAND gates are required. Okay, now you have to see how is it possible. right? How one gate can be reduced here? You have to just reshuffle the given this circuit diagram, and then you can understand this. Okay, so this is what I discussed. This 1 2 3 4 5, so 5 NAND gates. I said 5 NAND gates are required to implement 2 input XOR gate, but here it's not 5, it can be 4 if we just look into. I was just going through this, and I just thought how can again it can be reduced. Okay, so see, if we want to take 5 gates, then 2 ICs are required, and if you want to take 4 gates, then only 1 IC is required, right? So 2 IC, 1 IC, if it is costing 20 rupees, then here 40 rupees is required, and here 1 IC means 20 rupees. So this implementation requires half of the price as compared to this implementation, and it can be reduced. Okay, so I just want you to see how this can be reduced to 4 gates. So I just want you to think that how this equation of 5 NAND gates for OR gate can be reduced to 4 NAND gates for 2 input XOR gate. I hope you understand this question. ठीक है, सिंपली क्या है कि 5 गेट यहाँ पे यूज़ किए हैं, तो 5 की जगह मैं 4 भी यूज़ करके सेम सर्किट डिज़ाइन कर सकता हूँ. तो वो कैसे, ये आपको सोचना है. ओके, सो दैट्स ऑल फॉर दिस लेक्चर. थैंक यू.